Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on how to view a removed tree. In this video, we will show you how to find a tree that has been removed from your site and how to view its previous assessment data. Once you have logged on to your site, firstly, click the Settings tab. Then we can click the Show Removed button to on. I'm also going to turn on my gesture zoom so I can use my mouse to scroll in and out, and we can see our removed trees have now appeared on the site and the word removed in brackets beside them. Next, click on the Tree List tab to the right of the screen. A list of your trees will appear, including the previously removed trees, which will have a dash before the tree number. To select the tree you want to view, you can click on the tree in the tree list. Or you can type its number in the search bar. Once the tree appears in your tree list tab, click on it and these two tabs will appear. Click on Show Assessment and the Tree Data pop-up window will appear where you can view the previous assessment data on this tree. Note you can upload files to the removed tree if necessary. Please see our tutorial on uploading photos or files to a removed tree for more instructions. Once you finish viewing the data, click on Finish. When you have finished viewing all your removed trees, let's close this down. Bring all our trees back, fit them in. Go back to Settings, go to Remove Trees, and click Off. Your removed trees will now be hidden. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email found on this screen.